and then shift your weight, and you should be free to move that right foot.
To what though? That's what I got to figure out.
To wherever it is you want to put it now.
Well, yeah, that's what I got to figure out.
Alright. Chuck foot, man.
Shit.
Going well. Alright. It's a lizard doing push-ups on the rock.
Cool. Maybe he's humping another lizard.
Could be, but I can't see one under him. Nope, he's just running along now.
Maybe he's dry humping the rock.
Apparently, he's practicing. Maybe he wants to make a video.
Alright. Go lizard.
Can you bend your left knee and move over to the left?
Sorry, babe, I've got really shaky hands.
See, I fall when I do that.
Okay. There looks like something near that clip. There's got to be a decent clipping hold there.